Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I really made it happen at Dollar General today. You guys will be so proud of me. I went shopping today on a Saturday at Dollar General, and guess what? Everything worked out perfect. This is an amazing deal. I am so excited and so happy for myself because my anxiety didn't kick in. Everything worked perfect at the register. And I'm just happy that I got everything right on a Saturday. I know it's probably not a big deal to you guys, but it's a big deal to me. So I'm just wallowing in my glory right now. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I hope you're able to go out and do this deal. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscription button, guys. I'm so close to 12,000, on the road to 12,000. I want to celebrate having 12,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm very, very close. So I need you to help me out by hitting that subscription button, and then you can hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. So guys, let's jump right into this amazing deal so that you still have time to go out and do this deal. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is that this is a Saturday only deal. So you need to go out and do this today. Don't wait. Don't look and say, oh, that's a nice deal, I might try it. No, just go ahead and do it. The only thing you need is your Dollar General app. And the first thing you want to do is go in your app and clip your 5 off 25. Okay, for those of you that are new, let me show you what it looks like. So this is the digital coupon that you're going to clip. It's $5 off a $25 purchase. Okay, so make sure you guys clip that. And then the other coupon that you want to clip is this one, the spend 30 get $10 off. Let me open it up so you can see it better. Oh, well, hold on, let me see. That was my screenshot. Let me get the whole thing open. But you're going to use those two coupons in conjunction with one another, and that's what makes this a fantastic deal. So let me pull it up. Okay, here we go. So here it is, spend 30, save $10. Now there's a glitch with this coupon. So for those of you who didn't watch my videos earlier this week, let me explain it to you. So on this coupon, it says that you get $10 off when you buy 4 different products. It says must buy 4 forms of Product and Gamble fabric products in the same transaction. You have to get 1 detergent, 1 liquid fabric softener, 1 enhancer, 1 dryer sheet, 1 beads. So where the glitch is with this is that, number one, I was able to use this coupon and I only bought 3 items. That's the first glitch. The second glitch is I got all liquid detergent, whereas you're supposed to get 1 of each thing in every category, but I only got 1 category and I only got 3. So that's where the glitch is at with this coupon, and this glitch is working lovely. So make sure you take advantage of that. So those are the first 2 coupons that you want to clip in your Dollar General app. So the first thing that I grabbed was this Tide Oxy, and it's the small one. And that one is $5.50. There's no digital coupons to go with that except for this spend 30, save 10, and your 5 off 25. So what we're doing is we're actually building a scenario to get to $30 so that we can get the $10 off 30. Okay, so that's $5.50. The next item that I grabbed, hold on. The next item I grabbed is the medium Tide, which is the 69 fluid ounce. And you don't have to get the Tide with Oxy or the regular Tide. You can get any scent Tide. Just make sure that they're in the same price points that I'm showing you, okay? So this medium Tide, the 69 fluid ounce is $9.95. But when you scan it into your Dollar General app, this $3 digital coupon comes up. So that makes this deal even sweeter. Now you might say, well, how can you use that coupon along with the spend 30, get 10 off? because the $3 coupon is a manufacturer coupon, and the spend 30 get $10 off is a Dollar General store coupon. You can combine a manufacturer coupon and a store coupon together. All right. So now we're still not quite at our $30 because the medium tide is only $9.95 and the small tide is only $5.50. So we're not at our $30, so we have to get more items. Now you can get more smaller tides or more smaller products. You just have to make sure everything adds up to $30. And when you do scan it in the app, make sure that this coupon, the spend 30 get 10, attaches to that. If it doesn't attach, it's not going to work, okay? But I chose to get the bigger tide, which is the 115 fluid ounce. And that is $15.95. Now, these are my price points. I'm in central Pennsylvania. If you're in like Michigan or Florida or New York, your price points might be a little different, but it's not going to be too much off. It might be like, 10 cent, 15 cent, 50 cents at the most off. So just make sure that you're doing the math and you're converting everything to what is best for you. And just make sure that your total is $30. Okay. So when you scan that big tide, the 115 fluid ounce into the app, look, we have a $4 digital coupon. Hold on. There we go. We have a $4 digital coupon that comes off of that. And you see the spend 30, get 10. Oh, I don't know why my phone keeps trying to focus like that. Hold on, guys. We're going to get this right. There. Okay. So you see the spend 30, get 10 also attaches to that. Okay. So with all that being said, when you add all of this up, our total is like $31 or something. Hold on, I'll give you the exact amount. Okay, guys, let's go back to this medium tide. When I scanned it in my app, because I didn't have the right store in my app, I had it located at another store. That scans at $9.95, but actually at this store, it actually brings up at $9.70. So when you add those three tides up together, the $5.50 for the small one, the $9.70 for the medium, and the $15.95 for the big one, my total comes to $31.15. Now, let's go over our receipt so you can see what my out-of-pocket was. So here you see, there's the tie for $5.50. Now, where you see the store discount, that's where the $10 off 30s coming off. And I also was able to use my 5 off 25. So when you add up all those store discounts, that's going to be $15 worth of coupons and discounts. So you see store discount. And remember, I told you there were no manufacturer coupons for the small tide. Then there's the medium tide for $9.70. There's the 2 store discounts, and there's the $3 digital coupon. There's the large tide, the 115 fluid ounce for $15.95. There's the store discounts, and there's the $4 digital coupon. My subtotal, look at that, guys, $9.15. That's like buying the medium tie and getting the big one and the free one for free. This is an amazing, amazing deal, guys. So if you're a Tide lover like I am, you better go do this deal, because we don't get any more paper coupons for Tide. We only are able to use our digital coupons. So $9.15, because we don't discuss tax. Because everyone's tax is different, every city, state, and borough. So go out and do this deal. Come back and let me know how you make out. And until the next time, keep on saving.